This is the Ronny by Amisco, made in Canada. I'm going to show you how to put it together. Start, make sure your front is pointed away from you. Now you're going to take off these set bolts. You're going to use a 7/16 wrench or socket, whatever you want. I like a wrench because in the further build, you're going to kind of need it a little for the torque. These are not used again. Now you're going to want to move that. This is a swivel, so these are a little more difficult. I would say, like maybe a 5 or 6 on the skill level. I always point my bolts going up just so they're not hanging down, just in case you have kids or somebody's going to move it and nicks their hand on it. It's a better option for me. Now you're going to set this, line it up with the holes. Make sure it's pretty much even on all ends, and the Amisco tag is on the outside. You're going to use the shorter bolts. There's 2 sizes. The longer is for the back. You definitely don't want to put those in here. You'll go right through the seat. You should kind of just be able to jiggle it so you can go finger tight. Once you get all that lined up, again, you don't want to force anything. Get your drill, set it to a few off the most powerful. Get them all lined up. I kind of do them in reverse just to seat it a little further. Okay. Now you're going to grab your 7/16 open end. I give it a little extra. That's metal on metal, so you don't really have to worry about anything other than stripping the head if you're not careful. All right. Now we're going to go with the feet next. You just give them a good tap in. Now with this, you're going to always want to clean up the little excess plastic that hangs off, or it'll look really tacky, especially if you're delivering it to a client. Test it out. Now this comes in with these, you could just flip and pull real easy. Get that all prepared. Now you're gonna set this right in the slot, bring it down, and grab your last 2 bolts. Again, these are a little longer than the ones that you originally used. And that is the most popular Ronny Stool by Amisco, made in Canada in 4 weeks. Custom with so many options, your mind might spin a little before you figure out what you're going to go with.